Good afternoon, class. My name is Sarah Guthrie. I have been a student with AMU for about 1 year, working towards my second CCAF and my certification in military leadership studies. About 4 months ago, I moved to Eglin Air Force Base, Florida, with my wonderful husband and my 3 kids, cats, named Vader, Yoda, and Peekaboo. I've been active duty for about 9 years, currently working as a military justice paralegal at the base legal office. For the first 6.5 years of my career, I also worked as the aircraft fuel system specialist, basically being a glorified plumber working inside of the fuel tanks of the airplanes. As a military justice paralegal, I have to talk to first sergeants, commanders, and base wing leadership about the processes and the actions that go through the military justice section of the legal office. I have to be able to articulate all of the issues and the actions that are taken by our office to these high-ranking individuals. When speaking in front of these people, I have to not only have a good face of the legal office and myself, but it's also our credibility that's on the line. So if I can't speak educatedly about what's going on and answer the questions that are asked, then it's the face of the legal office that's put on the stand. I hope to work on some of my problem areas, which are the which are everybody has a problem with. I also have a lot of hand gesture issues, and then sometimes my mouth and my brain are not always on the same wavelength, to where I get either too far ahead of myself or I say something that's out of order and I have to backtrack on what I'm saying. So again, I want to improve on those skills so I can talk in front of people more professionally and put out that professional image of not only as an NCO, but the face of the legal office as well. I look forward to meeting you all. I look forward to improving on my public speaking skills. And if there's anything I can ever do for anybody, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.